Okay, it's recording.
Recording? Okay. Does it have audio?
Yeah.
So for some reason,
I can't do this.
we're testing out our stun gun.
So I have to
taser.
go. I'm not. It's not on. So I have to go all the. It's not on.
You have to touch me. You have to touch me.
Like-
The metal prongs have to touch me. That's as simple as it is. Okay.
Tony.
Hold on.
Wait, you need to put that in your mouth,
No,
'cause-
I got this. Okay.
If you like scream. Oh my god. Are you okay?
Yeah. Do it again. Do it again.
Again?
Do it again.
Why is it not on? I can't do it left-handed. I don't know if it's in focus or not.
Okay.
That's all